Hi! Let's know about HDLs in digital implementation. HDLs, Hardware Description Languages. It is similar to programming languages but used to describe digital hardware. It's utilized to express the behavioral characteristics of digital logic in RTL, register transfer level, format. It is commonly used for designing CPUs, processors, and various digital logics in chips. Types of HDLs. First, VHDL, Very High-Speed Integrated Circuit Hardware Description Language. Second, Verilog, a widely used hardware description language. Interested in a VLSI career? Reach out to us. www.semicontex.com. Write to us at info@semicontex.com or call 91-7624-997721 or 91-87123-03410. Thank you for watching.